Some deep ones, man.
Deep Mark got that heat.
That's what this song gonna be about. For real. Hey, hey, whoa, whoa. Hey, 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 whoa. Hey, 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 whoa. Hey, I got some wounds, they deep inside, they freaking hurt. So nigga, what? You flirting, just go put on shirt. So what's the deal? You twerking, man, you did the work. My niggas cheating, so why you trying to do that, bro? Is you gon' kill? So nigga know this junk is real. That's how I feel. So niggas trying to keep it real. This junk get hurt. So baby, man, they freaking hurt. You freaking twerk. So man, just freaking do the work. Whoa, whoa. Hey, hey, whoa. Hey, I got wounds in my body, man, they really hurt. Everybody tripping, man, just go put on a shirt. I got money in my pocket, ain't tryna spend. Baby, I'm just tryna, baby, I'm just tryna win. Hey, but people freaking hate on me, people freaking hate on you, so baby, you can't get it through. When people freaking hate on you, you just gotta stick and move. Baby, do what you gon' do. Hey, so baby, do what you gon' do. Hey, so baby, do what you gon' do. Hey, hey, do. You got some haters, everybody try to hate on you. What they say, no haters, no fame. So baby, do what you do. So whoa, baby, just take it slow. Go, come on, baby, you just take it slow. You don't even know these niggas hating, trying to take your soul. They think they just got it, but no, you just got hold on. Hey, come on, baby, you just hold on. Hey, come on, baby, just be strong. Hey, everybody tryna hate, everybody tryna hate. Man, this is where it stay. Hey, 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 hey. God love you, I swear to God he love you too. So baby, stick and move, baby, you gon' be with him soon. You gon' be with him soon. You just gotta stare at the moon. You gon' be with him soon. You gon' be with him soon. I swear I got deep wounds. Hey, hey, deep wounds. He wounds, hey, hey, I got these wounds, hey, these deep wounds, hey, these deep wounds, hey, hey. Don't let nobody stress about you. Put nothing on you. It's just you, your future, your past, and your life. So live it. Hey.